Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tire and tube replacement on my son's mountain bike, so kid's mountain bike. So first things first, remove the nut with a spanner with the shifter, and now we're doing the jockey wheel. So there's the guide there, and we use a 4mm Allen key, and so we're just loosening that, taking off the first guide, and then removing and loosening the chain so that we can take the second jockey wheel off. So using the 4mm, we just loosen that and take the whole guide and jockey wheels off, and now we take the nut on the other side off so we can completely move the wheel, but make sure that the tire is flat so that you can get it past the brake system. So now that the tire is out, we use tire levers that I'll put in the link below, and you use one to space, as you can see, to pull it across and hold it in place as you use the other tire lever to pull the tire off completely. So now it's time to do the tire and tube, and I've picked this tire up on Amazon, and you unfold it after being in the packaging. And now the tube, I put the valve in first and then run it along the wheel, and then I also pump it up the tube so that it holds in place. So that makes it a lot more sturdier and to work with, otherwise it just flops around. So there we go, it's all nice and pumped up, well, half pumped, not fully pumped, and then you put the tire in place and then you manipulate it in so that half, like the top half, goes in well. And then as you can see, I'm sort of pushing in the tube at the same time and using the levers to lever the whole wheel back into place. So now we've got the tube inside and also the wheel spokes, the internal wheels, and that's sitting nicely in the middle. So now with the levers, I just use that around the outside and make sure that it's sitting in there nicely, and I just run it around the outside and hold one of the levers in place while I jimmy it all in and get it into place. So as you can see, it's almost complete, and you just run it around the outside of the rim until you've, probably this last section is the hardest section, so you sort of got to hold it with one lever and one hand and then jimmy it around with the other until it's in place. So this might take a few goes, but once you get that leverage and that one hand sorted to hold it into place and to pull it around, you can get it done. So now that it's completed, we can put it back onto the frame. So you get past the braking system with that tire a little bit flat, put the chain back on place onto the gears, and then we can put the nuts back on. So we've got the left hand side there, the nut, and the right hand side nut. Now it's time to tighten the nuts up with the shifter, so it's not going to go anywhere and it'll stay in place. So pretty much hand tight. And now it's time to do the jockey wheel. So here we're just going to put the bottom jockey wheel in with the 4mm Allen key, and also the brace that's behind it to hold the chain in place. So you got to kind of hold that all in place at the same time while holding the chain. So I've got my little apprentice there also helping, using his little Allen keys, and he's getting it done, and it's never too young to start. So thanks, little fella. So now we're doing the last jockey wheel. So we're holding the chain and the jockey wheel with the left hand while I'm tidying up the Allen key nut with my right. And so just, it's a bit awkward, but we get it all into one place, and there we have it. All done, but finally just need to pump up the tire, ready to ride. So I pump that up until it feels nice and tight. So I just test it by holding it like that. And so that's ready to go. So there we go. All done and ready for fun. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.